Hello guys, let's go. I want to teach you guys how to model facial concrete. These ones we have fixed here is already made facial concrete on this archicad, so we just fixed it. So let's go to how we can model. You go to line, you let's go to our plan. You get to our plan. So what you do is you go to document and you take your line. Let's say the facial concrete we want to do, let's not use measurement in this case, but you can use measurement if you wish to. So let's allow it be. So let's say this the one, then you come to design and you use Morphe tool and trace this. Just trace it the way it is. I'm just going through the simplest modeling. So you have traced it. You delete this line. Delete the line. Delete. So you just highlight this. You highlight this. You copy it. You copy. And you go to option. You go to profile. On here. And you say add. And you say facial. Facial. You are giving it a name and you click on it and you paste it. So it has saved. Immediately you see it here. Immediately you see it here, it has saved. If you don't see it here, you know it is not saved. So it is saved now. So what you do next is you come to this is the name and this is where it is. So you come to you remove this and you remove this. You come to your wall. You come to your wall. You go to your wall. Come here. Select this. Click on this. And you come here. Look at it here. This is the facial concrete. You say okay. So you have selected the facial. You draw it.
Tell me, this is what I want.
So let's go to the wall. Let's highlight it.
Sorry, 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 sorry.
Go to 3D. So this is what we have gotten. I know it's very big because we did not take measurements. So this is it. You can rotate it. You can take it to 3,000. 3,000. Let's see. Okay. Let's take this to 3,000. It has come up, So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did.